I was at the beach and I saw erosion and deposition and a delta, and I'm like, hey, I learned that on Discovery Ed.
Science is that means of exploring our natural world, and I think the Techbook does help students to see the real world connections.
During the day, because of the sun's reflection, you can see the moon, so I would think that the ocean will be able to still be affected because of it.
In classrooms that utilize the Discovery Ed Techbook, we see higher average pass rates on our state test. We see higher average scores overall. We see more children scoring in the exemplary category. And the greatest difference has been for ESOL students. For students with disabilities, we've seen remarkable increase in pass rates on state tests, students on free and reduced lunch as well. And I think that speaks to leveling the playing field and giving access to all children.
The Science Techbook has a whole variety of things that you can use to differentiate. There's a Spanish version of different activities, reading passages, virtual labs, interactives, video, and it's basically meeting the student at their level and then enriching them.
I like the videos in Science Techbook because we get to learn visually instead of just reading about it, and then if we don't understand it, it virtually shows you how to do it.
When I have a paragraph read aloud, I enjoy it because you can be writing and listening to it at the same time, and it's more efficient.
They have explorations, which my students love.
You can see the moon revolving around the earth, so you can see the gravitational pulls.
They basically think they're playing, but they're actually learning, and I think it has helped with the engagement.
It ran into 15 minutes of our recess time, and I don't think a single child was saying, we need to go to recess now.
No, 6 p.m. is the lowest.
Yes,
No, they're the same. They're the same.
We had the drag Pisa onto the world map, and we had the drag Boston. Since they're on the different sides of the world, when the world rotates, Italy has high tides while Boston has low tides.
It's a great way for students to learn, and it helps me learn.
The 5-minute preps are helpful. I think the videos are helpful to the teachers. Formative assessments, I think all of that as a whole package is really helping our district to teach and promote science.
You problem solve in language arts. What word is the best in this context? You problem solve in social studies. What event caused this particular event? So you have problem solving everywhere. And if they can get that idea in science, then they can use it in all of their subject areas and within their world.